Good afternoon. I'm at the parents' house, spraying around their house for ants, because they have a little ant problem right now. But while I was walking around, I can't even get on this side. When I was walking around, I seen that their spigot's like leaking. First of all, I'm gonna blame myself. Cause I replaced this spigot like, I don't even know, it could be like 2 years. But I was starting to think about it. And what I did was I just matched. I matched existing. If you guys look at this, it's a frost-free. I put a horizontal. So right now I could just rebuild it and fix the problem. But the problem is, since it's not vertical, it can't drain properly because now it's going to hold water. So I'm just going to tear it out, redo it again, put a horizontal. It's a really crappy situation because look how low it is to the floor. I mean, maybe 4 or 5 inches. I'm going to angle it halfway, maybe on a 45. I got to make sure I have the right pitch on it too, also. I'm not too happy about this. Crazy. Let's turn that off. Just keeps on dripping. Man, I'm getting ready to rip their flowers off. I'm sick of this. There we go. We got a little bit more room. Water's still on. I didn't shut it off yet. Man, what's up with that bee? Come on, dude. Don't get me. Oh, you know what? Last time I just matched it, I could just drill it up higher. I could definitely drill it up higher. This is back when I was soldering. Back when I was soldering. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna drill the hole higher. I forgot about this. This is pretty cool. Okay, we'll shut the water off first. What do I need? Keep company? Okay, so I'm gonna add a shut off in, and we'll sand before we cut it. We'll put it right here. Let's see. Hopefully, be a good foot. Hopefully, you can see it. So, where's that bucket? Bucket, I want to say bucket, more like a bowl. My mom's popcorn bowl. Going the right way. Cut this way. Water's off again. I also forgot to mention that I also drained the lowest sink, so I don't have all this extra water coming in. So I'm going to cut it over there also, so I can pull the spigot out. Oh, there is. Yep, there it is. A lot of silicone. That's out. And then I want to drill like 6 inches I measured out above. So right around, maybe the hole is right here. So 6 inches right here. Drill that on an angle. Angle going up. Oh, there we go. Ooh. There's reverse. There we go. The battery's bad. You know, it's broken, so it slips out, slips in. I just happened to grab the broken one. Wonder if I'm hitting a nail. There we go. There we go. There we go. Get the handle back on. Turn that off. So this is what I'm thinking. I'm thinking, well, add a little piece of copper, probably about 3 inches, 90 in it on an angle, and then coming straight into this. So I think it'll work out nice. So I'm not. I could just come straight down. Then, you know, 90 over, come this way. So then I got like 190, 290s, 390s. Or I could just go on an angle and be done. That would be nice. Alt, maybe 3 inch. Yeah, we'll do 4 inch. 4 inch I like. Using type L copper. I'm gonna bring enough batteries down here. My light's running low. This thing's nice, but you can't get it wet. That's why I cut that pipe with that little quick cutter. You get this thing wet, it just goes bad. I don't know why they wouldn't make this waterproof. Don't ask me. Okay. Where's my Scotch-Brite? I already made sure my fitting's clean. You guys can see it. It's not full of wood. I have a grommet in there. Come on. It's in. And that's just a 10-inch spigot. It gets shut off way back here. That's all it is, frost-free. It gets cold around here. I always like to take it out, make sure I'm all the way in, compare it. Because that's when these things fail, when people don't insert it all the way. I'll take the extra 5 minutes to do that. Okay, 90. Where's my 90s? There we go. I like Nipco. You know, a lot of people like Vega. I'm a Nipco fan. Come on, get in there. Okay. Good. You want to be careful how you're jamming these in too. If you're jamming at an angle, there's a risk you can push that O-ring out. Even though, really, if you looked at my older videos, not my older videos, but it's an older video that I took the O-rings out and I tested them and see if it would leak without the O-rings, and it didn't. I guess I kind of ruined that video, but you guys can go look back at it. I think I labeled it, I think I put the name on it as Handyman Test Pro Press without O-rings. So, where's my piece at? There it is. I'm just kind of test fitting stuff. Make my life easier. I'm not going crazy. There we go. And then I'm going to cut this long. I'm going to go 13. why I love that little baby tape measure. I think it's too convenient. Especially when you're just doing small cuts. Is that thing low on battery? Oh yeah. We'll clean the one side, and we're going to trim down the other side. From the inside or the outside. Look at that. That is a no-go. See that? The gouge. Cut it back. Okay. Get a mark. See if we're all the way in. Good. Bend that up. Oh, look at that. Pretty dang close. Oh, why am I doing that way? It's gonna be going this way. I'm gonna say that's good. Right here. Inside, outside. Okay. Slip that back in. Make sure there's O-rings in there. Slip this thing on. And then mark that there, cut it. That should be it. Should be. Watch this thing cut L is like, well, especially with a little battery. It's like watching paint dry. I'm sure you guys agree. And then also I forgot to bring up, I'm sure I already said it, but we gotta make sure we have a slope on that spigot so the water can drain. Okay, put this one in. And there it is. Okay, we got a slope on this. That's all I care about. All our marks are lined up. We're in all the way. That one came out. Here we go. It's crimping time now. Get that lat. I got 2 more to do. And now this one. Nice. Short in all the way. Okay. So that's crimped, 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 crimped. Yeah, that went down a little bit. I'm not gonna force it up. Just gonna figure out what kind of spacer I want to use now. Even if I gotta shim it, not a big deal. I want to get a support on there though. I would like to. I would like to. If I know where they're at. Yeah, I should have pushed that up when I was crimping. Not a big deal. Not a big deal. So I just put a couple shims underneath there. no big deal. They have other supports where there's actually a spacer, you know, it would have got rid of that. It would have been perfect with the another support, but this is fine. It's angled up, like we said, or angled up, angled down. So when it shuts off, all that water back here will drain out from here on. Actually, it shuts off right about here, but whatever. Okay, let's turn the water back on. Okay. Okay. Oh, I never turned it on. Oh. Cool. Oh, before I do that, I want to tighten this up, the packing. Good. Pack a nut. Perfect. Now, I just gotta seal that hole up, and I want silicone around this. And no leaks. And that's a wrap.